In Voiceflow Designer, first you need to capture user message and save it in a variable. I'm using last utterance, which is a native variable in Voiceflow. Then you need an API node. Select post, put your a. Let's actually go to Stack AI. We're in the export API export in Stack AI. You grab the URL from here, paste it as a post request. Authorization, headers should be authorization and your API key. Again, from this piece of code, you can grab it. Headers, authorization, your API key. Just click on show token and you'll see it. Content type application JSON. We have the same here, content type application JSON. Leave parameters empty. For body, select raw. And this is what you need. In wrapped in curly braces, input 0, as you can grab it from here. Input 0. If you input 1 or whatever, you need to change it accordingly. Last utterance, the variable being sent from Voiceflow, make sure it's in quotation marks. For response, this is the structure, but to help you understand why this is the structure and customize it based on your use case, click on send request. For the last utterance, give it a value. I just give hi. 200 successful. So output structure is like that. Outputs and then out 0. So we have the same mapping here. Outputs dot out 0. Make sure it matches with whatever you see in the code section in Stack AI. Then if we actually run this workflow, if we run a test and we say hello, how can I assist you today? And I forgot to mention we're saving this in a variable called response. And then we put the variable just in a node. Okay, that's how you connect Voiceflow and Stack AI.